Kaya kami, ang ano po, speaking of loyalty, speaking of friendship, malaki ko na ang tatay ko ay talagang stood by my Marcos. His ally until sa namatay. Ferdinand Marcos, gano'n eh. Medyo nalinis. Sabi mo, the first years of martial law, talagang malinis ang Pilipinas. And he ordered the first killing by firing squad of the drug lord Lim Seng. So, sumunod lang ako kasi mahal ang bala ngayon. Dito na lang. Death by hanging. I will restore the death penalty for drugs and other serious offenses connected with drugs.